मेरा नाम अंजलि है। मेरे स्कूल का नाम राजकीय प्राथमिक विद्यालय डिमरी ब्लॉक है। मुझे स्कूल आना अच्छा लगता है। काश मेरे जैसा स्कूल सबका हो।
Earlier, it was very difficult for us to find clean drinking water. I wish safe drinking water would be something that is available to everyone.
It is the little dreams of today that form the building blocks of a better future. With this vision of nurturing the present and shaping a robust future, Perfetti India has ignited a spark of hope with their social responsibility measures.
For us at Perfetti, CSR is not about just spending that 2% of our profits on some community work. We look at it as truly being able to give back to our community and society at large. For us, the three areas that we have chosen as focus areas are education, plastic waste management, and water. And I'm really proud of the work that the teams are doing in these spaces. It is not just seen as another job to be done, but it is something that each of us do from our heart.
When you lose yourself in service of others, you discover your own happiness and purpose. This is the philosophy which underlines CSR activity for Perfetti Vanwell India. We believe in making a meaningful contribution to every human life that we touch.
Perfetti has adopted 6 government schools around the factories with nearly 300 students belonging to lower income group and has invested in their infrastructure to provide amenities for children.
We have adopted a government primary school in Demri block in 2017, and at that time when we adopted this school, the school condition as well as the children's condition is very poor.
Building of school infrastructure, maintaining hygiene and sanitation through separate facilities for boys and girls, providing clean drinking water, computer labs for empowering students with technology are some of the major initiatives of PVMI for schools in several regions. To help students understand curriculum better, Perfetti has partnered with NGO Shiksha Daan, helping children with English language skills, scholarships for meritorious students and career counseling.
To reach out the students, we had lot of engagement activity with the school children. Started from celebration of 25 year.
Perfetti also has been supporting an orphanage since 2004 by providing 2 meals per week to about 125 children. Passion of our employees is visible in the level of engagement with the children and community. Perfetti has also identified availability of water and has over the years tried to address their issue by providing RO water to about 1,000 people in a village.
We went forward in installing and facilitating 3 RO plants and benefiting around 2,000 families for the last 6 years. I am very proud to say that the local community have never been deprived of drinking water when other Chennaites were facing severe water scarcity.
200 students in a school in Chennai, and by laying water pipelines in a village near Manesar, benefiting close to 500 households.
परपटी कंपनी ने हमारे गांव में जो स्वच्छ पानी की पाइपलाइन बिछाई है, घर घर उसे स्वच्छ पानी पहुंचाया है, उसके लिए मैं परपटी कंपनी का धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी।
Perfetti's commitment towards environment is manifested in its various initiatives, including reduction of carbon footprints by adopting alternate sources of energy, taking proactive measures in field of water conservation across all the plants, which has helped reduce consumption by about 25%. Cutting usage of office stationery by 30%, excessive tree plantation and road safety drives are also the ways in which their commitment towards environment is demonstrated. Another significant initiative is the area of plastic waste management, under which company is not only meeting its EPR obligations, but is also exploring novel ways of utilizing unused packaging material. Their tie-up with an NGO Trash to Cash is a small step with possible big impact in this direction. This is helping people with special needs enhance their earning capacities while protecting environment at the same time.
I would like to thank each one of you for your passion and commitment for the work that we are doing to the community. Let us continue to do more of this so that together we can make the world a better place.
At Perfetti India, we are wrapping goodness with a smile, not just for people, but also for the planet we call home.